So our year 5 lesson for today is focusing on long multiplication. Again, we're still multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So we've got tens and units multiplied by units. But once we grasp this method, it means we can move on to more complex long multiplication. So taking this first example here, 25 multiplied by 6. We always start the bottom right. So I'm always going to start with this number 6. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the 6 by 5. So I go straight up. So 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. So making sure I put my 3 underneath because I haven't finished the calculation yet. I now need to do, again, this 6 multiplied by 2. Even though it's 20, I can call it a 2 because I'm talking about it in its correct column. 6 multiplied by that 2 is 12. Add the 3 underneath, and I get 150. Okay, moving on to this next example, 34 multiplied by 5. Again, like I just explained, we always start at the bottom right, which is our 5, and we go straight up first of all. So 5 times 4 is 20. And then again, we take our 5 and we multiply it by the 3, which is 15. Add the 2 underneath, and we get 170. These are the sums that I would like you to do. Again, I'll walk you through A first of all. So remember, we start bottom right, so we've got our 6. And I'm going to multiply this 6, first of all, by the 3. Because like I said, we go straight up first, step 1, and then going across is step 2. So 6 times 3 is 18. Again, 6 times 3 is 18. But this time I need to add my 1 underneath. So I get 198. So you've got options now. You're going to need to pause the screen. And if you wanted to pause the screen and work them out yourself, you can. However, if you think that your iPad or your computer or your phone, whatever you're using, is likely to turn itself off, what I suggest is pause the screen, write the calculations down quickly on a piece of paper, and then work your way through them. Still pause here because underneath now, I'm going to go through the answers. All right, so pause, work them all out, and then we'll go through the answers together. Hopefully you've worked out as many as you can. So if we go down and we work through them together, like I demonstrated, 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 3 again is 18, add the 1, it's 19. B, 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 2 is 8. Add the 3 underneath is 11. So I'm going to work through these. I'll stop talking now and you can just follow them. So there's all the answers. Hopefully I've got them all right as well. And hopefully you got as many right as you could. So well done, and I look forward to talking through another lesson tomorrow.